Hey guys, this is a video on using bag protectors for games. This is one I've done previously. I find them useful for protecting stickers like this, or just general shelfware or scuffs on the cases. And this is another one, sealed game, so you can see that that still fits nicely in these bags. So I'm not against using these sort of box protectors. I use them on plenty of games myself, like this Resident Evil 2. It's a sealed game, but it's got a lenticular slipcover. Or something a bit more expensive, like this Lost in the Rain. Not a sealed game, but just something I'd prefer to keep more protected than just being in a bag. So these are great to use, but they obviously take up a lot more shelf space and are significantly more expensive compared to bags. A more common bag you'll find is this top opening style bag. It has the tape strip on the flap. Or the other one you might see is this sort that has like a stitch seam down the side, if you can see that. But I really wouldn't recommend it. They pull apart really easy and just really crappy design. This is the type of bag I prefer and recommend. It's a horizontal opening OPP bag with the corners pre-cut. They're about $5 or $6 a bag of 100, and as far as I'm aware, only found on Yahoo Japan. You can get these a little bit cheaper without the corners cut, but I recommend it for a few extra dollars. It saves a lot of hassle than cutting it yourself and looks a lot neater. So this is an example of a game with a top opening bag, and as you can see, it has the seam of the bag running down the spine here, and also has the flap sticking out at the top. So let's swap this over to a horizontal opening bag and I'll show you my method. Note also that the tape strip is actually on the bag itself and not on the flap, like the top opening bags. Makes getting games in and out much easier. And the flap actually folds over the spine. It looks much nicer. So I'll just put some tape on the corners. It just stops them sticking out on the shelf. This is easy to remove later if you're taking games out of the bags. Yeah, and you'll see how the cut corners sit. Not only helps the games to sit better in the bags, but it lets air out and prevents any air pockets. So there we go. Get a few of these games together and starts looking quite neat. Examples of some other games I have these horizontal bags for is PS2, PS Vita, I've got them for PS1, and I've got some for DS. I'll put a link in the description of where I get these bags from, but the problem is getting them shipped to your country. You'll need to use a proxy service to buy them, If you don't know what that is, it's a company that will purchase items for you and store them in their warehouse until you're ready to bundle them with other items, and you can ship them all in one lot. There's lots of companies that do this, and probably best if you Google them, and then you can find out which one's right and suits your country. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video useful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment, and I'll catch you next time. Cheers.